I often recommend chia seeds to my clients. Why? Because they're a food that is inexpensive and packs a ton of nutritional benefits. I consider it a superfood. The reason I call it a superfood is because those health benefits are beneficial to almost everybody out there. One, they're a good source of fats. Two, they have carbohydrates. Three, they're a good source of protein. As a matter of fact, they are a complete protein and they're a plant source of protein. They also have good fats and they can help you stay hydrated. One of the easiest ways to use chia seed is to make a chia seed gel. I like to do this and then keep it in the refrigerator and add it to other beverages throughout the week to help improve their nutritional content. So how do you make chia seed gel? It's very easy. Chia seeds of them by themselves are really tiny, but they can do a lot when you add a fluid to it. So in this case, I'm going to use water. I'll take 9 times as much water as I do chia seed. You don't have to be exact, but since they do absorb 9 to 10 times their weight, I think it's easy to just say 1/3 of a cup of chia seed, 3 cups of water. I use this kind of a container because it has measuring marks on it, which are easy to follow. And it makes it convenient for storing it because you put the lid on, put it in the fridge, and it stays good for a couple of weeks. So what do we do here? Take 1/3 of a cup of chia seed and 3 cups of water. It doesn't have to be exact. So I'm getting it almost to the top. And then all you're going to do is stir it up. Now it doesn't matter if you use a whisk, a spoon, a butter knife, anything you can stir this with. But what you do need to do is stir it off and on for 3 to 5 minutes until it develops a gel-like consistency and it looks like all of the seeds have absorbed as much water as they can. One of the great things about chia seed gel is that it doesn't matter exactly how much water that you use. If you put less water, you're going to have a thicker gel. Put more water, you're going to have a thinner gel. I like it kind of thick because, as I said, I do like to add this to other beverages throughout the week. So what you're going to do is keep stirring it. If you did not keep stirring it, or if you left it for too long, it can solidify and get chunky. You definitely don't want chunky chia gel. So once you see it starting to absorb, see if you can see this here. It's starting to absorb. I look down inside it, and it is already starting to solidify just a little bit. Those the seeds are starting to absorb the water. So you do this for 3 to 5 minutes, not constant. You can walk away once it starts absorbing. You can walk away and do something, and maybe every 30 seconds come back, stir it a little bit. I'll show you in just a minute what that looks like. Okay, I'm back. It's been about 3 to 4 minutes. And as you can see here, we're starting to get gel instead of having it look more like water. Now, if I leave this sit now and I don't stir it anymore, it will continue to get just a little bit thicker, and you still won't get any chunks, so that's good. So what you do after this is simply put your lid on, put it in the fridge, and your chia gel is ready to use.